The drink we're about to make is called the 607 Special. Now, it gets its name from the geniuses in room 607 at, I'm assuming, some college somewhere in the nation came up with this lovely drink. So let's start off with 2 ounces of rum, and we'll get that in just 1 second. And we'll actually just go ahead and grab our chocolate milk and put some ice in a glass. And don't worry, we'll follow it up with the rum here in just a minute. Okay, chocolate milk, first ingredient. And now our rum. Here we go, there it is. Give it a shot of rum. Let's go ahead and do 2 shots of rum. That's actually how they like it in room 607. Now, let's go ahead and mix that up. Now, supposedly you're supposed to use Yoo-Hoo. That was the preferred chocolate milk, but any chocolate milk will do. And let's get a glass ready. And give it a pour. And we have ourselves a 607 Special. Bottoms up.